seem to have as much snow as yours. Elementary school parking lot? Yeah. Oh my god. We are so stuck. We're not even moving. Oh shit. Oh. See what our snowplow does. Oh my gosh. Alright. No cars coming, hopefully. Hopefully. I doubt it. Oh. You should just fucking e-brake right here. You'd fucking totally wide. Woo! You slid like 200 yards. Holy shit. Oh, that's nice. It's so deep that it's coming over the hood. This is nuts. Don't hit my car. Oh my gosh. Can't even see your headlights. See if we can get a driveway. Yeah. Oh, almost.